At Gadget Doctor East Kilbride, gaming performance starts with the right power. Our expert technicians specialize in gaming PC CPU upgrades, carefully installing high-performance processors to boost speed, multitasking, and overall gameplay. From system compatibility checks to precision installation and full performance testing, every upgrade is done with professional care and experience. Whether you're chasing higher frame rates or smoother gameplay, we make sure your gaming PC is ready to perform at its best. Proudly serving East Kilbride, Gadget Doctor East Kilbride, where expert upgrades unlock true gaming power.